Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it is super humid out there, extremely hot. So I thought let's share my hair care routine with you with all the products. I keep my hair care routine very simple. I don't overcomplicate it. So it is very simple and I think it's super budget friendly as well. So I'm extremely excited to share my hair care routine with you because I think it is going to be very helpful. So I'm very excited. So let's quickly get started. So the number one step that I do for my hair care routine is oiling my hair. So the hair oil that I have is from Indie Wild, and this is something it actually looks like. The packaging is very chic and very classy. It comes in like a glass jar, as you can see, and also it comes with like a pipette where you can actually take few drops as per your requirement and use it, so there is no wastage. So I really like this product. And also, if you actually smell this product, it's so good. I can actually smell Ayurveda through it with so many great natural ingredients in there. I do agree it's a little expensive, but I have been using this bottle from November last year and it is still there. I've got like a little bit left. I think it'll go for another 2 months. So I just oil my hair once a week and that's it. I take as much as I want and I just apply it on my scalp and not on my, the downward part. I just use it on my scalp and that's about it. It is extremely beautiful. The best part about this is it doesn't feel sticky, and if you have like hair fall issue, you can also try it out because that was my concern, and when I used it, it really helped me with the hair fall too. So I'm really happy on how this actually looks and feels and smells on the hair. So I really love it. Okay, so the next product is another hair oil. Now, this is like an affordable one, which is by Wish Care. And this is something it looks like. Now, this is 100% virgin coconut oil. It is actually very good. Coconut oil is like a staple. If you're very confused, like which hair oil to use, the staple hair oil or the very safest hair oil is coconut oil. It is very nourishing. If you have, very frizzy hair, you can actually use coconut oil. It really helps. It really nourishes your hair. So I have already given you like two options. You can pick and choose based on your budget, based on your liking. So whatever you feel is right for you, you can actually go with it. So the next product I have is my absolute favorite. I had like I did give this product like a benefit of doubt, but this was like the amazing purchase. I loved this product so much that I ended up purchasing a newer bottle again. Like I repurchased this product again and I so love it. So this is something the product looks like. This is their Wish Care hair growth serum concentrate. This has amazing ingredients in there. I'm just going to brief you again. Like when I initially started, I actually started because I was losing a lot of hair towards my right side of the scalp. So I started using it because lot of the people on the internet were raving about it, and when I started using it, there was so many baby hair that actually came back, and there was so many baby hair, and I was like, wow, this actually works. But at the start it did not do anything with the hair loss. I had like crazy hair fall, but eventually and with consistency, after like 2 and a half month, I could actually see that my hair loss was so less, and I was so amazed. I mean, I used to have so much hair on my hand when I'm taking bath, or I'm taking shower, or I'm just combing my hair in a normal day, just to just as a normal routine I was doing it, and there was so much of hair fall. But this particular product really helped, and I'm so happy with this purchase. So if you are someone who is having like a crazy hair fall, you can actually try your hands on this. It actually comes with like this pump, which is very easy to use. All you have to do is just take this, apply it on your scalp and just spray it, and that's about it. There is no hassle, there is no unhygiene thing going on. It's very, very clean. I love the packaging. And yes, if you're someone who's also having, like I said, hair fall with consistency, you're also going to see a decrease in hair fall. And if you do, just come back to this video and tell me if you like this product or no, because I can really vouch for it. So we are done with the first part of the hair care routine. So the second part is obviously your shampoo, your conditioner, your mask. So I've got two products that I use every time I take shower. So I actually wash my hair about twice a week. That's about it, because my hair doesn't get oily every other day. So I use it like, just twice a week, and that's about it. And the shampoo that I absolutely love is this right here. And oops, this is something it looks like. I really, really love it. And this is, by the way, by L'Oreal. It is their Hyaluron Moisture, and it is their 72 moisture filling shampoo filled with hyaluronic acid. It replumps your hair with long lasting hydration. This is specially for dehydrated hair. Now, my hair tends to get a little frizzier after 2 to 3 days, so I like to use this shampoo. Honestly, I've tried a lot of hair fall shampoo, but it doesn't work on me at all. I honestly feel that hair fall shampoo doesn't work at all. It actually leads to more hair fall, right? So I actually use serums to get um the hair fall thing working, and I just use shampoo to clean my scalp, and that's about it. And this part of your hair tends to get a little oily and more frizzier, so that's the reason I chose this one. I actually opted for a smaller bottle, like the smaller version, then a bigger bottle, and finally ended up with this huge one. So you would know how much I love this product. It's absolutely stunning. If you're someone who have dehydrated hair, or you have no problem for your with your hair, and you just want to clean your scalp, all you have to do is just get this. It really cleans your scalp very, very beautifully. Okay, so the next product again is my absolute favorite. I don't even know why I was not using like a hair mask, and why I was using like a conditioner. Okay, conditioners are super great, but this one is like fabulous. I mean, I got my hands on this one right here, and this is by the brand Love Beauty and Planet. This is their argan oil and lavender variant. This is actually used for nourishing, smoothness, for frizzy hair, dry hair. I have actually used their shampoo, but honestly, I wasn't a great fan of it, because I don't know, it did not do anything for me. There are people who have said that it have worked for them, but for me it did not work. But when I tried this one right here, the hair mask, I mean, I was in love. I mean, I can't even tell you. You really don't need to blow dry your hair, or you straighten your hair. My hair is actually naturally very straight. So I don't have to, I don't have to actually bother about that. But the whole problem comes with that frizziness and everything that is there. Even though it is straight, it sometimes does get a little drier, and I really need something that nourishes my hair, especially this part of my hair. So I use this on the scalp just to clean, and I don't use it here, because then the shampoos are going to make it very, very dry. So I never do that. But the hair mask, this one in particular, I use it from the root to this part, and it is so amazing. It doesn't make my scalp oily. Doesn't do that. I have actually used the same today. I'm also going to put like a clip right here, like how my hair looks after third or fourth day. It really looks so good. You won't even believe that my hair looks so great, because these are the two products that I use when I take shower. I don't use any other product. This I have been doing since November, because November mein Nykaa sale had come in. So I had ordered a lot of stuff from there, and I thought, let's give this one a try. And it really worked. So I absolutely love it. Also, I'm just going to open and show it to you my love for this brand. Can you see? I've used like so much of the product, and this smells really, really good. Like, really good. I'm not over exaggerating. It's really, really beautiful. You will actually get like a lavender tint smell to it. It's really good. If you're someone who has dry hair, frizzy hair, and you really need like a lot of moisture and nourishment for your hair, you can absolutely get this one. You wouldn't regret. Post my shower, there are two serums that I use. So I let my hair dry, air dry, and then I just leave it. And in case I'm like in a rush, then I'm going to use like my a dryer to dry my hair. I don't do any styling. I just keep my hair the way it is. I just dry it with a blow dryer only because I really have to rush. Otherwise, I just leave my hair as it is and let it air dry. And once that's done, I actually use these two products. But my favorite has to be this one right here. And this is by Streak Professional. And this is their, I think this is their Vita Rich Gloss Hair Serum. This is actually, it actually says it is enriched with macadamia oil and vitamin E for a high gloss, silky, smooth finish, which I completely agree. And how do I agree? Because if you see, I have like almost, it's just over. Can you see? There's only this much product left, and I absolutely, absolutely love it. I can actually use it like right now also. I've already used this, but I'm gonna take like little, and I'm just going to put it on my hand and just put this here. And it actually gives the hair so nice glow. Just make sure that you don't take it to the scalp and just rub it. Just apply it on your hair and just leave it, and it's just gonna do its work. So I really like the way it actually looks and feels on my hair. So my hair is not completely dry right now. It's still a little wet, but I absolutely love this one. If you have like, again, my whole target for my hair is dryness because of humidity. My hair tends to get dry because obviously we don't apply sunscreen on our hair, so it gets dry on the scalp. It really smells bad, so you really need to keep your hair and your scalp super super clean. So I use this post the shower. And the next serum that I love is by this one. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum with 6 precious floral oils. I really, really like this one. This is something that I bought recently, and I've only used like a little this much. But if I have to pick from these two, I will still choose the Streak one, because first, it is very affordable. It is for just 140 rupees. And yeah, it's really, really beautiful. And if you're someone who really want more nourishment, and your hair is super 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 dry, then you can get this one right here, the L'Oreal one, because it naturally has like 6 floral oil, which will really help to keep your hair in place, and it will really make you feel good. So, yes, this was my summer edition for hair care routine. I really hope you loved this video. And if you did, you know the drill. And I really would appreciate if you put your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. And I would love to hear about it. And also let me know your summer staple, like one hair care product that you absolutely love and why you love it, in the comments. I will go through it, and if I probably love it, I'm gonna get my hands on it. And yes, with that, I love you. Please take care of yourself, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.